John, can you talk to us about pairing and ensembling development and how we do it at IL and how often and why that's important to the process?
Sure. Well, I guess the shortest way I could express this is that we don't type for a living as software engineers. And often, a software engineering team will be organized to split up the work and have people work on their own, so we have as many things going in parallel as possible, and that generally gives people the sense that we're going faster, we're getting more done. The problem with that, and this goes well beyond software engineering, but the number one cause for project failure in general is something called coordination neglect, which is that it's very easy for us to break down a job into the component tasks and pass those tasks out. And what we always discount is the cost and effort involved in bringing it back together to a deliverable whole. So with those two ideas in mind, the coordination neglect, the cost of integration, and the fact that typing isn't the slow part of software engineering, what we do is we embrace this sort of idea of if you think of a multi-core processor, the software team as a multi-core processor, where we've got many brains focused on the same problem at any given point. So that's basically the way we look at the practices of mobbing and pairing, and there's in addition to the reasons that we do things like that, I'll say that it is much like the way we do pairing and mobbing. Excuse me, is it's an acquired skill, and we've been doing it for a long time. We're very practiced at doing it, and how you do it matters.